and welcome to the first vlog of 2019. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and New Year's. It is the 2nd of January. I can never say January today. And it's technically like a back at work day. My first day back at work. I've just got home from my boyfriend's house. We are now going to call him G. G is his nickname that I like to call him. We had a lovely New Year's together. We built a fort and we made an amazing party playlist a couple of weeks beforehand and had a nice disco together, and we went and tried to watch the fireworks from Tower Bridge. It was a really lovely evening. And then on New Year's Day we had a really chilled one. We packed away our fort, went for a walk, and went and met my parents, my sister and her fiance for dinner and card games. So it was lovely start to the year. I'm really excited for 2019. I've got so many ideas for my channel, and I've got loads of New Year's resolutions as well that I want to kick into action. I'm thinking of either filming a video or doing a blog post about them, so let me know if you want to like hear what mine are. I've also ordered like a 5-year diary from Amazon, which is coming today. I ordered it on Prime, so hopefully I can start filling that out. I love the start of a new year and like new beginnings, like fresh start, all of that. Do any of you guys want to see some of the bits that I got for Christmas? Did it last year and quite a lot of you enjoyed it, so I'll run you through a couple of bits that I got. My dad got me some crime scene loo roll. Like, I don't even want to use this, it's too fun. I might save it for next Halloween and use it in like some videos as like background props. But yeah, quite funny. It's like one of those jokey presents. Also got me some little like camera lens shot glasses. How cute are they? Got 6 of them. They are so cute, so I'm definitely going to be taking these away. Every year we go away for my sister's birthday, and her birthday's on the 8th, so we're going away on Saturday for 5 days. I'm taking G with me as well, so it's going to be a really lovely like little time away in the countryside, and we're going to be playing loads of drinking games, so I might take those with me. That would be good. I asked for some new bedding and my mum went overboard. She bought me some Next super soft fleece pillowcases and super soft fleece fitted sheet, and oh my goodness, these are so soft. I'm never going to want to leave my bed once I put these on. She also got me a couple more new bed sheets. This one also from Next, really beautiful like green foliage print, and this one as well, which is also quite cute, like a grey and kind of like burnt orange pink foliage print. So I'm going to change my bed sheets at some point today and put one of these on. I got the most gorgeous photo album in like a map design. This is so me, and I thought this was a really nice idea for the start of the year as well. I've got a couple of Polaroid cameras, so maybe I could make this my 2019 photo album and just pop loads of memories in there. My sister got me some amazing presents this year. She got me this hanging sky planter. It like hangs your plants upside down. I'm not really sure how it's going to work. Like, is soil going to go everywhere? But apparently you don't really need to water it, because like you put some water in and then it like releases it gradually. Looks quite interesting. My manager at Gleam got me the most gorgeous diptyque festive candle. I'm obsessed. I like to collect the diptyque festive candles, like limited edition ones every year, and this just makes the most beautiful addition to all the years previous. Look how gorgeous that is. Definitely a collector's item. It smells like, I think this smells like Play-Doh. It's like almond scented, almond. I've got so many other presents, but they're all dotted around the house now, so maybe when I next go for a little walk around, then I'll show you a couple more bits. My boyfriend bought me this gorgeous necklace. I don't know if you can see it. It's very me. He did very well. Really dainty, like geometrical necklace. He did very well on the present front. Just filmed a video, took so long. I'm obviously feeling a bit rusty after the Christmas break. Also the biggest mess ever behind me. Oh, really need to tidy my room. I decided to go to the post office now, drop off some returns, and also pop into Iceland. I've heard that they've got a new no ball vegan like range bits out, so I thought I'd go and check out what there is. I also need the basics because I haven't really like done a food shop since before Christmas, so that is what I'm going to do now before it gets dark. Just got home. So cold. Like, it's literally got so cold all of a sudden. Like frosty. I need to dig my gloves out. Picked up loads of the Noble stuff. They did have some new stuff in there, like this vegan pizza, no cheese, Italian garden, cheese-free stone-baked pizza topped with broccoli, mushrooms and red onions, and I thought that looked really good, so I'm going to try that. Breaded chicken fillets, favourite ever burgers, oh my god, they're so good. And I also got some sausages. I quite like these sausages as well. So yeah, loads of freezer stuff and a couple of like veggie bits just to tide me over the next couple of days. For dinner I have made broccoli, mushroom, onion, garlic and mackerel pasta, and the mackerel came in a tomato sauce and I added lemon juice, mayo and cheese, so it's like mascarpone, I don't know. And I've got my little shrimps. I am just taking the tree down, taking all the decorations off, and me and my housemates are going to watch an episode of Lovesick as well. Tree is gone. I've put the Babadook in its place. This is another one of the Christmas presents that my sister got me. How amazing. It's a RuPaul's reference, if anyone is unsure. Love it. I washed my hair and now I'm in bed. I'm going to say goodnight, but I will see you tomorrow. I've got a really fun day planned tomorrow with me. Hey guys, it's Thursday today and I've got a nice day out with my mum planned. We have got 2 theatre performances today. We're firstly seeing the matinee True West, which has got Johnny Flynn in it, who I love. He's in Lovesick.
I discovered him.
No, you didn't. I did. No, I did. I discovered him first. And it's also got Kit Harington from Game of Thrones in. And I'm really looking forward to seeing that. And then we're meeting up with Brianne, my housemate, and Brianne's mum. Our mums are best friends, and we're going to see Kinky Boots. Got Rosie. Look how beautiful you look.
No, I'm not.
She's a bit ill. You look beautiful. Amazing. It was amazing. This is the after. We have come to Mr. Fogg's Society of Exploration cocktail bar. I've been to 2 other Mr. Fogg's now and they're all amazing. Would highly recommend. And I've got a cocktail called the Inca Trail. It's very strong. A lot of coffee in there. Are you going to put this on your Instagram? You should do.
I've only got 1 picture on mine.
Yeah, you should update it. So it is Sunday today. I didn't end up filming the rest of Thursday because I got really drunk with my mum. We met up with my housemate and her mum and we went to see Kinky Boots and it was amazing. Kinky Boots was one of my greatest discoveries of 2018. Loved it so much, and it's ending in the West End on the 12th of January, so I think that's the last time I was going to see it, and yeah, it was really good. It is now my sister's birthday week and we have come away with the family, the Snooks fam and boyfriends, to celebrate. We've come to Belgrove Barns. I'll leave a link to it down below. This is the second time we've been here and it's magical. We've just got a really nice couple of days planned with loads of drinking games, card games, board games. We're going to go to the beach because it's quite close to Southwold, which has the most amazing arcade. I'm going to take you, we're going there tomorrow, so I'll have to vlog that. But I thought I'd just vlog the next couple of days and show you around and show you what we got up to, because I think it would be really nice. We got here yesterday, went and did a quick food shop. I drove up with G and had a pub lunch, and then we went out for dinner and it was just really nice, just settling in. But I am getting a bit ill, which I'm really sad about. I'm just hoping I don't give it to him as well. I think we're going to make breakfast for everyone today, so I'm gonna show you around. Yeah, it's really cute. I won't show you our room just yet because I made a bit of a mess in here. This is the landing. So cool. I'm wearing high-waisted Joni jeans with this top that I showed in my Zara haul the other day. There they are, all the lads. We picked up this at the supermarket yesterday, Bloody Mary ketchup. It's got vodka in it. G and I have decided to come for a little walk on the grounds, and we've kind of found a bit of a sculpture park. Look at this amazing rocket behind us. How cool is that? There's like a random spider crab over there. Freaked me out when I first saw it. He's got his thumbs up. What is that? I don't get it. It's really weird. How do you know what a spider crab looks like? I think this is a sign that we should head back. What the fuck? Little Robin Redbreast, he's so cute. So cute. This is the living room and kitchen. We have come to Bungay to see a castle, and the castle is shut.
It doesn't actually say when it was.
We're trying to break the lock. Look how cool it is. I want to go in. We have come to a cafe to escape the rain, and I've got a hazelnut latte. That's so good. We got a carrot cake to share.
That's insane.
Yeah,
that's the problem.
Oh, I'd love.
It's a really nice smell.
That's my sleep.
What is it?
Are you okay?
Thanks. It is Monday and we have come to Southwold Pier, which is one of my favourite places. We're in the arcade. I'm so excited for today. This is the coolest pier ever. Rent a dog, never walk alone again.
I like that one.
Luke, do you remember when we did this one?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, pirate practice. Boots of true doctor.
And then we did that one as well. Wow. What is happening?
Is he broken?
Okay, we need to go. Fish and chips. My dad has brought us to the cutest little vintage antique store in Southwold. Look at this. That camera one with a light bulb in. I could do one like that. The vintage clothes. We are back at home now. We've laid on a spread. Got some baked camembert, loads of cheese, bread on the go.
Have a bit of I'll get a
I think two.
We're playing poker. No, we're not. We're playing blackjack.
That's about 200 quid. That's 100.
It's, what day is it? Tuesday. It's Becky's birthday. We are bowling. Hollywood Bowl. How exciting. Got a slush puppy. Ooh.
Sick that you can wear your own.
What?
Stop.
She won. Then my dad. Then Luke. Then me. Then my mum and then Bex. Whee! Woo! It scared me. We have come to Mr. Bottle's Apothecary in Norwich for some cocktails and food. I've got one called Candy Cane and it's got Skittles on it.
Under pressure to.
After the phone's up, otherwise it matters.
Ah, okay. Second round, yeah.
Got a 3 cheeseburger. We are back at the place. We did an escape room. We didn't escape, but we got very close to it. And now we're playing some drinking games. Dunk the carrot.
the other way round, right?
that in. Go on, guys.
There's a pink in there.
So close. However. Oh, right,
We are doing some cognac tasting here. Very exciting. It's like, what time is it?
My old workmate.
It's after. It is Wednesday. We are back home now. I got home about 3 hours ago, just had some food, and now I'm editing this vlog, but realised I didn't end it, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry, it's got off to a really slow start, this vlog. I do apologise, really boring. I was watching it and cringing and just being like, I hate myself a little bit. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. The reason I haven't vlogged that much, you might have noticed that I haven't like said goodbye in a couple of clips. It's because my camera is well and truly broken. Let me show you in the mirror. Oh, you're not even gonna be able to see this. I've just got like masking tape all over, and oh, how am I going to show you? Yeah, the whole back fell off, the whole flip around screen fell off, so I've had to masking tape it on. But I need a new camera. I also really need a new laptop because editing is just taking so long. Like, all my technology is failing. I don't know if it's Mercury in retrograde, but everything seems to be taking 10 times longer. So yeah, order some more screws for this camera and maybe purchase another one after I pay my tax return. But yeah, stay tuned, vlogs will get better. Love you lots. Mwah!